Today, we will talk about asset retirement obligations. Asset retirement obligation accounting often applies to companies that create physical infrastructure which must be dismantled before a land lease expires, such as underground fuel storage tanks at gas stations. AROs also apply to the removal of hazardous elements and/or waste materials from the land, such as nuclear power plant decontamination. The asset is considered to be retired once the cleanup/removal activity is complete, and the property is restored back to its original condition. Consider an oil drilling company that acquires a 40-year lease on a parcel of land. 5 years into the lease, the company finishes constructing a drilling rig. This item must be removed, and the land must be cleaned up once the lease expires in 35 years. Although the current cost for doing so is $15,000, an estimate for inflation for the removal and remediation work over the next 35 years is 2.5% per year. Consequently, for this ARO, the assumed future cost after inflation would be calculated as follows: 15,000*35 is equal to 35,598.08. Because calculating asset retirement obligations can be complex, businesses should seek guidance from certified public accountants to ensure compliance with the Financial Accounting Standards Board's Rule Number 143, Accounting for Asset Retirement Obligations. Under this mandate, public companies must recognize the fair value of their AROs on their balance sheets in an effort to render them more accurate. This represents a departure from the income statement approach many businesses previously used. To calculate the expected present value of an ARO, companies should observe the following iterative steps. Here are 3 key takeaways. 1. Asset retirement obligations, ARO, are legal obligations associated with the retirement of tangible, long-lived assets, where a company must ultimately remove equipment or clean up hazardous materials from a leased site. 2. Companies are required to detail their AROs on their financial statements to accurately portray their overall values. 3. ARO rules are governed by the Financial Accounting Standards Board, FASB, outlined in Rule Number 143, Accounting for Asset Retirement. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.